to TechFlow. Yeah, I'm sorry for starting the video on a really bad joke. That was meant to be TechFlow mixed with Techtober. You guys know that October, the month of October, every single year is always a massive month for technology and technology review channels on YouTube. Just so much stuff comes out, and we've been trying our hardest here at TechFlow all of this month to bring you guys some exclusives, mainly of phones, and we have done that, so we hope you guys have really enjoyed. But we're not stopping the train, we've got one more today. This is on YouTube, the first ever unboxing you will see of the OnePlus 6T. We will upload this video as soon as the embargo lifts, so let's go and unbox the device. Oh, and we will also be doing a full-on review of the device when we've had it in our hands for about a week, and we will also be giving that same device away. So please drop a like rating and a comment down below letting us know what finish you would like the device in so we can pick and send it to you. Right, let's get straight to the unboxing. So let's get straight into this. This is our reviewer's guide that OnePlus have sent us. So let's dig in and see what is in here. So as you guys can see, we have the OnePlus 6T right here. And let's take that out for now, set that off to the side, and we'll see what we've got in the box. Right here, we've got a nice branded OnePlus microfiber cloth. And then inside of here, this is actually super interesting. So we have a sort of sticky stand to stick the phone on, and then this entire box actually turns into a little B-roll set, which is really nice of OnePlus to include all of that. In this box here, I'm pretty sure there'll be usual OnePlus procedure to provide us with a few cases, so let's take a look at a couple of these. As you can see, we've got a lovely stone finish case there, absolutely love that one. And then we've also got some ones with a bit more of a grippy texture, like this sort of honeycomb finish right here. Really like that. Really OnePlus, absolutely love it. And OnePlus did tell me they were also going to include their brand new USB Type-C headphones, so that is a welcome inclusion in our reviewer's guide, but that is about it, other than our little light box that we can put this here and sort of get some nice B-roll of the phone. Awesome. So this is the OnePlus 6T in its box. As you guys can see on the back here, this is the one in midnight black. We've got the 128GB variant here. And the thing I really like about the OnePlus series is the price. And that is a massive thing when you're going to buy a phone nowadays, especially in 2018 going forward. So this one right here, being 8GB of RAM with 128GB of storage, comes in at £529. As you can see, we've got the OnePlus logo there, we've got the 6 logo there. On the side, it says unlock the speed, which is what OnePlus seem to be all about, speed, which I absolutely love. And then on this side, we've just got the OnePlus 6T logo. So, this phone has a full screen AMOLED panel, which should be presented to us right there. Absolutely gorgeous. And the one thing I absolutely love about OnePlus is that they include a screen protector already pre-fitted to the device when you get it. Really like that. So we'll set the phone off to one side for now, and we'll see what we get inside the rest of the package. Another thing I absolutely love about OnePlus is they actually include a case inside the box. So as well as us getting some in our reviewer's guide, you get one right from the get-go so you can make sure your shiny new device is all protected. And inside there, we also have a little bit of a package, which I assume is going to include our documentation for the device. Am I correct? Yes, I am. And the SIM card tray. Inside of here, also included, is a couple of stickers. And now here, this is interesting. We have an invitation letter. So let's see what all of this is about. Feeling a really warm unboxing right here. It says, a word from Pete, OnePlus CEO. And there's a little open tab there. Let's give that a little pull. Wow. This is really cool. Let me be the first to welcome you to the OnePlus community. Like you, we are driven by passion for technology. Absolutely love this. You guys can screenshot that if you want to read it, and at the bottom it says never settle and it's signed by Pete there. Absolutely love that. And then we have our fast charger included in the box. Thank you very much, OnePlus, for doing that. They actually call this dash charging, which is super cool. And even inside, you've got the red USB carrying on with OnePlus's color scheme, with the lovely, absolutely gorgeous, nice, thick, good quality, and held together by little plastic clips here, USB-C to USB cable. Love it. And much unlike Apple, included as well is the USB-C to 3.5mm cable, as the device does not have a 3.5mm headphone jack. So, that is the entire contents of the box. Let's push all of that to one side and let's boot up this device while we take a look round it. So I've gone through the standard setup of the phone just so we can have a first glance here at this full screen AMOLED panel. I love this tiny little notch. Talking about the notch, up here you have a f2.0 16 megapixel front facing camera, which is absolutely gorgeous. And then down here we also have our underscreen fingerprint reader, which we'll be taking a look at in our full review. So that's the front of the device, absolutely gorgeous. Flipping this thing over, as you guys can see, we have, well, an actual similar back to all of the OnePluses. Now here is a OnePlus 5, and as you can see, we're looking pretty much the same here. We've got the OnePlus logo, other than this little sticker which we can remove. So on our OnePlus 6T, we have a vertical camera in the middle, and on our older device, the OnePlus 5, we have a horizontal camera up here in the top left-hand corner. And the flashes also do look a little bit similar here. However, our logo remains the same, and this will come off the device. And then on the bottom it says designed by OnePlus, which is something that is missing on our older device. Very, very nice. Talking about these cameras, we've got two f1.7 lenses on here, one coming in at 16 megapixels and one coming in at 20 megapixels, and that is about it. Other than looking around the side of the device, we've got our lock button here, which is actually a tactile, really nice tactile feeling button. And then we have our, much like an iPhone here, a mute and ringer switch, which has 3 stages here, so we'll have to figure out what all that is about. We have our speaker and microphone ports on the bottom here, as well as in the middle there, our USB-C, very symmetrical design. And then we have our volume rocker here and a few antenna bands. But that is about it for the unboxing. So as we said, guys, at the start of this video, we will be doing a full review of this device, as well as a giveaway at the end of that full review video. So like I said, please drop a like rating below and let us know what variant of the phone you would like down in the comments. I'm not going to give my first thoughts on the device yet, as this was only an unboxing video to show you guys what was in the box. But nevertheless, I do hope you guys have enjoyed the video. If you have a like rating, it will be absolutely awesome. And if you want to check out a couple other of our unboxing videos, you can do that right here. But for now, this has been TechFlow, and my name's been Alex, and we'll see you in the next one. Adios.